Tropical storms Barry and Flossie both formed off the coasts of Mexico on Sunday, bringing warnings of flooding rain, damaging winds, and the potential for one to strengthen into a hurricane. While neither is expected to directly impact the United States, parts of southern and western Mexico are bracing for life-threatening conditions. Barry, which developed in the Atlantic Basin, brought 40 miles per hour winds and is forecast to drop up to 10 inches of rain in isolated regions. The storm is expected to weaken rapidly as it moves inland, but not before potentially triggering mudslides, especially in mountainous areas. This is especially dangerous for places like Acapulco, still recovering from Hurricane Eric's devastation earlier this month. In the Pacific, Tropical Storm Flossie has also reached 40 miles per hour sustained winds and is moving west-northwest at about 9 miles per hour. Meteorologists say the environment around Flossie is ideal for strengthening. The storm could intensify into a Category 2 hurricane by Tuesday or Wednesday. While Flossie is projected to remain offshore, its outer bands could bring heavy winds and torrential rain to coastal states like Guerrero, Oaxaca, and Jalisco. Rainfall estimates for Flossie are between 3 and 6 inches, with some spots seeing up to 10. The National Hurricane Center has issued warnings about possible flooding and mudslides, particularly in steep terrain. These conditions could worsen as both storms continue to develop. The Atlantic and Pacific hurricane seasons typically don't produce this many named storms so early. Barry is already the second named storm in the Atlantic, ahead of the usual mid-July pace. Flossie is the sixth named Pacific storm of the season, nearly 2 months ahead of schedule. Meteorologists are also tracking a potential system near the southeast U.S. around the 4th of July. A stalled cold front in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico could spark tropical development, with forecasters monitoring its potential to bring rain to northern Florida. While a hurricane isn't expected, rip currents and localized flooding are possible. This uptick in activity signals a hot and active start to hurricane season. As both storms churn near Mexico, emergency agencies are urging residents to stay alert for rapidly changing conditions and prepare for possible evacuations or power outages.